Welcome, I'm filming with a REALME C31 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle. Now for me it is the third toggle straight from the top, so I don't need to look far for it. And I believe for you it should be in the same exact location, considering I haven't changed the orientation of any of these. So once you locate it, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the Do Not Disturb mode actually functions. So quickly going into all the options, or just I guess some of the more important ones. We have interruptions, so you can select who can interrupt you, and you have people, apps, and alarms and other interruptions. And in people you have two different options. You have calls and messages, so you can choose who can call you and message you. And there's also, I believe, somewhere a toggle, or not. No, there we go. For the repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll completely bypass what you have right over here. So if you select that no one can call you, as it is selected right now, and someone meets that requirement, they will bypass this option right over here. Now messages has basically the same options as calls minus the repeated callers, and then obviously you have a couple additional settings like the schedule mode if you want to utilize that. We have the duration, so this defines what will happen when you click on the toggle, and then we have also display options for hidden notifications. So just you can select what happens with notifications. So once you set up all of this, you can just close this and never come back to it again. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the toggle. As you can see, it turns blue. It also gives you this moon icon right here to signify that it is running at the moment. And if you decided to go with the schedule instead of the manual tap like I have, then just make sure that the schedule right here is toggled on like so. And that's all you would need to do. Now going back to the manual toggle, as I have done, once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be permanently on. So simply tap on it again and this will turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.